Thank you, King. Damn, I feel like I'm finna cry. Never mind. Hold on, let me get my shit. Let me get my voice started cracking.
I want to highlight and I want to honor many of my staff tonight on our birthday, our 4-year anniversary of the J. Morrison Academy. I wouldn't have been able to do it without having some super talented, solid, loyal, and ambitious and purposeful people by my side. One of our first core values is unmatched work ethic. Mr. Tosin Adewale for having shown an unmatched work ethic, and Mr. Ja'Cory Freeman, Mr. Brandon J. Wigley, the mutant plaque. In 4 years, went from student to vice president here at the Academy. Appreciate you. Having shown elite assistance, patience. But listen, when you're dealing with the community that we deal with, you need some patience. Amari Barnes, Sophia S.J. Nurse, Miss Melinda Thompson, someone who has probably one of the hardest jobs in the company. I want to present this honoree of Utmost Professional Award to Mr. Josh Smith. Running a business is tough. Nobody's saying it's like a walk in the park. It's not, but it is well worth the effort to create your own when you can. I appreciate just the community for coming out and supporting and celebrating us. I mean, it really means a lot because we pour a lot into other people. And so when you have the opportunity to pour back into us, it's more, y'all sitting here is more appreciated than what you know. Having shown consistent communication and transparency, I want to present this to the queen whose words touch millions, Queen Ernestine Johnson. So I love to shout out real loyal and integrous people who are not thinking about them, but thinking about we. Mr. Credit is King Will Roundtree, the Queen Roberta Hosky, Miss Millionaire Mindset. Mr. Damian Patton. I want to shout out Miss Ty Bruton, and she gets the Loyalty and Integrous Trust Award. Exceptional performance, dedication, and perseverance. I want to give this to also another former JMA student who's now a part of the corporate side, Mr. Eric Collins Brown, the Veteran of the Year Award, Mr. Tony Lewis, the Queen Janetta Pay, for her exceptional performance, dedication, and perseverance. For her is Ernestine Johnson, the JMA Achievement Outwork the Work Award. I want to give the JMA Outwork the Work Achievement Award to Brandon J. Wigley.
So I appreciate y'all because I wouldn't have these awards without y'all because y'all make me look good.
Because we love you and we appreciate you so much. We appreciate your leadership. We appreciate your vision. We appreciate your energy, your tenacity, and your innovative spirit. And you have us all working the work every day, but I'm sure I can speak on behalf of all of us. We wouldn't change it for the world. So we thank you and we love you.